students, what are you doing in a home? Are you feeling are, are you feeling bored? Let's start study. Okay, today we will study nutrition in animals for class 7. Your topic is tongue. We are going to study about tongue. Structure of the tongue. This is the structure of the tongue. Different taste areas of the tongue. We feel sweety in this area. We feel salty in this area and sour and after that bitter. Okay, is it clear? Different taste areas of the tongue and structure of the tongue. This is the structure of the tongue and this one is the different taste areas of the tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ in the mouth which is attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and can be moved in all directions. I am going to teach you the function of the tongue. First point is the tongue helps in mixing saliva with food during chewing. Second point is the tongue helps in swallowing the food into the food pipe. Third one, the tongue helps in getting the taste of food. The tongue is essential for talking. Is it clear? The function of the tongue is over. There are 4 types of tastes. First one, sweet and taste bud at the front of the tongue. Second one, salty, which taste bud detect the taste. Second one is salty. Area is behind the tip of the tongue. Third one is sour. Taste bud is at the sides of the tongue. Fourth one, bitter. Taste bud at the back of the tongue. This is completed. Okay. After that, we will study digestion in grass-eating animals. Grass-eating animals are known as ruminants. Animals like cows, goats and buffaloes eat grass. These animals swallow grass quickly and store in a sac-like structure called the rumen. Rumen forms the first stomach and is 4-chambered. Here food is partially digested and is called the cud. Plants contain cellulose in large quantities. Cellulose is a complex structure which is broken down into simpler particles in the rumen. The process where cud returns to the mouth in small lumps for ruminants to chew is called rumination. Rumination is added by bacteria present in the rumen which breaks down cellulose in plants. The digested food is then passed to the reticulum. Some animals, including human, cannot digest cellulose for its complex structure. Example, deer, goat, zebra, sheep, horse, buffalo, giraffe, elephant and rhinoceros. And last point is amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water which has a cell membrane around dense nucleus and many bubble-like vacuoles. The shape of amoeba is variable. It has tiny finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet for movement and capture of food. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. It eats tiny organisms by spreading out its pseudopodia around its food particles and then engulfing it. The food gets trapped inside food vacuole into which digestive juice are secreted and convert them into simpler substances. The digested food is then absorbed, which is required for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested food is expelled out by vacuole. This is the structure of amoeba. Food, there is food, and this type of a structure form in the process of ingestion, and this one is pseudopodia, and after that this structure form inside the amoeba. Digestion and assimilation, the process which is called digestion and assimilation, and after that this structure happened, and lastly egestion. Okay, your chapter is completed. We will study further topic in the next class. Please like my video, share my video. Okay, thank you.